Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Supercell ID email in Brawl Stars. Alright, first thing that you need to do is of course open up the game. Now once you're in the lobby, just go ahead and tap on the three lines right here. Alright, tap on that and you'll be able to see Supercell ID right here. You're going to want to tap on that. If this option is not available on your phone, just go ahead and go to settings and tap on Supercell ID right here. Alright. Wait a bit until this one pops up. Now, once you see this one, just go ahead and go to the gear icon right here and tap on it. All right. And it will land you to this page. Now, what you're going to want to do here is basically tap on change email. All right. Tap on that. Just hit OK. It will ask you if you can still access the particular email. Just click on or tap on yes. From there, you're just going to want to follow these simple prompts. Just go ahead and put the verification code, as it will require you to enter the verification code for your current email. Once done, it will require you to add the new email. Once you put on the new email, it will require you to put a verification code from the new email as well. Just go ahead and put that in, hit OK, and you'll be good to go. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.